Hi everyone, this is Ro. I would like to share with you my latest birthday cake that I just finished decorating. It's for Miana, she's turning 6, and the theme is film cake. And her mom requested this, so I made this chocolate at the bottom and white cake on top with buttercream and covered with fondant as requested by her mom. And I also made all of the accessories and decorations, the stars and the film and the rolls and the name, and all of this is requested by her mom. So uh, you can find any kind of decoration that's available for a film. So I made all the films and the rest of the decorations from scratch. And I hope she will like it, and hope you enjoy it too. Thank you everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye.